I'm Josh Smithberger with Delphian Trading. I'm a trading strategist there. In this session, we're going to go through earnings analysis. When we log in, we come in the dashboard. To get to earnings analysis, we open up the menu under earnings, click analysis. Type in the symbol that we want to look at. We'll do Apple. This is broken up into different tabs based off of different criteria. So the first tab, price moves and earnings per share. So it gives you a frequency, of the last 16 quarters of how many moves were 5 to 10% up, 0 to 5, etc. Earnings moves over here. So we give you the percentages, the expected move, and then the actual moves, going all the way back to the last 16 quarters. So you can see, how many times they got outside the expected move. Here's the actual reported EPS. So you have the actual and then an estimated. You can tell whether it's a beat or not. And to the right, you see the surprises based off the estimated and the actual reported EPS. This is similar to the expected move, except for this one is in dollar terms. So it gives you the dollar expected move and tells you how much stock moved dollar-wise. Pre-runner is looking 10 to 20 days before the earnings move to see if there's any trends that we can identify. You see the up and down moves for those time periods. And also gives you the min-max range for both of those time periods. Volatility rise. It gives you 10 and 20 days out how much the 30-day implied volatility rose or decreased over that time period. So you have 10 and 20 days, and we also have the at the money IV rise for 10 and 20 days. So it gives you the points and then the percentages on the right for each of those. Volatility crush. After an earnings report, the implied volatility decreases rapidly after the news is out. So this measures the volatility crush for the 30-day IV and the at the money IV from the day before or the day after earnings. It gives you the points on the left and then the percentage on the right. The runner tab is for 10 and 20 days after the earnings announcement. See if we can identify any trends for those time periods after the earnings. Gives you the percentage move for 10 and 20 days and also the min-max range for those time periods. And the last tab is seasonal. So we break down the moves for the stock based off of the calendar quarters. Also throughout, there's little I buttons, those are help, and it'll explain in detail what each graph represents. So you have all 4 quarters here. So we use that for trend analysis also. So as a summary of the earnings analysis, if you have any questions, you can contact us at sales@delphiantrading.com or the phone number listed.